All right, so
Okay, Cyril is showing me his van. So you built this?
exactly that. I built it for during 1 year and a half. It was a project like that I started few years, I think 4 or 5 years ago, to build all the drawings of it, 7 drafts of drawings to make sure that everything will fit at the
Wow.
right place, you know. And so for me it was important to put my comfort inside. It's only 6 meters square, but there is everything inside. So please,
Let's have a look.
I will
After you.
welcome you in my van, in my home. Welcome
Wow.
home.
Thanks,
And
nice.
so
So where is the kitchen
there's
area?
the kitchen here. There is like a big box here for the gas
Nice.
with all the gas connection
Perfect.
there. So I have like 2 stoves to cook.
Nice.
There is a fridge here, like it's 50 liters fridge with a freezer that is
Nice.
working like perfectly. Really nice. There is the water place here with the sink, all the storage.
Ah, beautiful.
for-
So you did all this by
yeah,
yourself,
and
huh?
this one are professional one to make sure
So
that
that's
it will
really good.
work really well.
Yeah, super smooth.
Like the bin here, all the
nice.
things to clean, and here there is maybe the most important part, because it's not this part, this is this part with all the alcohol and stuff. Like that. It's quite empty now because my travel is ended, so there is like almost nothing left.
Because how long are you were saying, how long are you on
It
the
was
road?
6 months travel.
6 months travel, wow,
And
yeah.
I will go back after that.
Nice.
And so also here all the
Nice.
it
It's
opens
so
by
good.
itself
I love
with
it.
this. I do like it.
This is
also.
so good, man.
And so yeah.
But you already knew how to do these things, your previous skills. No, you learn
yeah,
by
I
doing
learn.
it.
I'm someone that I do like to work with my
Okay.
hand, so it was really a first try, and I tried. If I thought that I was doing wrong, I was doing it again and
Yeah.
again, and so I'm a perfectionist too. So I like when everything is like tack.
it's
So
beautiful.
sometimes for this kind of fall, I was like, oh my god. But I thought, okay, I can put something on it, and it will be
It's perfect, yeah. And you did everything also, like a ventilation
yeah, this
system.
I made it by myself.
So you had to do a hole there.
Hole in
wow.
yeah, that was like a crazy part to make a hole here. This one and this one are quite okay because
you
you know
did also
you can
that,
how can I say that, put them together with screws. But
Okay.
these 2 windows there, it was crazy because it's just a big cylinder that you put
Oh
on
my
it, and you
God.
put the window on the steel and cross a finger to
To hold the- Oh
it's
my
like
God.
how can I say that in English, the window in the front of the car, you know.
Oh, yeah.
It's the same. Put a big thing,
Yeah.
you put it and wait for it to it
To
was
roll.
crazy, but at the end my windows are still there, so I think I did
Amazing.
it well.
Yes. Okay, and show me
So
this area.
here, this is a 3 functionalities place. There is a seat here. I can remove the seat. I can put it back there, and there is the shower.
That's the best part.
The shower, I can like remove this and put this part here.
That's how you put on top.
Yeah,
like that.
exactly. And after that,
Wow.
this is for the rope. Here
Yeah.
is for the clothes.
Okay, to
make
dry
them
the
dry.
clothes.
Yeah.
Amazing. That's so simple, but actually you have it. This is like a
and
shower.
I can shower myself with this.
This is
inside.
amazing, man.
And that's perfect.
Oh, wow.
So there is like
perfect.
cold water and hot water also, because on the back behind this black part there is a boiler of 10 liters working with gas, and a heater also. You can see something here,
yeah.
and here to provide hot air.
Okay,
So I can warm myself every time I want.
So you did also that by
yeah,
yourself?
I installed that.
Wow.
It was crazy.
That sounds so difficult.
And also on the back, just to let you know, on the right there is the boiler and heater, and on the left there is 100-liter tank of water. So I mean autonomy for between 1 week and 2 weeks.
Wow, you can stay that long without
in the
feeling-
nature without anybody
That
around.
is
Yes.
so good.
Yeah.
Wow,
This
that's
is for me the best part.
It is the best part.
There is like on the roof there is a big solar panel.
Nice.
Like, that provides electricity anytime, so my battery is always full when there is a sun. But even when it's raining, it's okay. And this is the third functionality of the place, with the toilets, chemical ones, to allow me also, if I'm in the cities and if there is no public toilet around, I can do my stuff here. I just need to put it off
Amazing.
and remove it
Yeah.
time to time.
So basically, you in one spot you have shower and
Shower,
toilet or a
seats,
sitting
exactly
spot.
That's perfect.
Yeah,
Even
that's
I'm
so-
really proud of that because I made the stitch by myself.
Really?
I learned how to do it with someone in my family,
Wow.
and at the end I can remove it, watch
Wow.
it, and I do like the
You did
zip.
everything.
Zip, zip. Yeah,
This is
crazy.
perfect. This is perfect.
And the last part is
It's the bed.
is the bed also. I have like the table here,
Mm-hmm.
and I can pull out the bed, something like that.
Super. And there you go. And that's your bed.
Completely.
Mm-hmm.
The bed is.
Ah, perfect. Wow.
So it's
Now I
one,
can see the big space you
yeah,
have. Also
it's
for-
1.94 meter long
Wow.
and
No, it's
1.14
beautiful.
meter width. I
Wow.
have the places. I built the van for myself, obviously, but I always thought maybe I will
Wow,
meet
this is
someone
so-
in my life.
Yeah, of course.
So I need to be able to share the place, share the bed. So this is why
It's-
there are 3 seats
Mhm.
also.
This is so cool.
And there are like plenty
Yeah,
of
storage.
for my clothes and everything like here.
And you're saying how long is the van?
Long
The meter.
the meter
yeah.
it's 5.5
Oh, wow.
meter.
Perfect
Yeah.
length. It's not that
Maybe
big.
you know if I had to do the choice again, I will take a 6 meter
Really?
long,
Okay.
L3H2 because of this. I'm pulling out the bed for 50 centimeters. So if I have 50 centimeters
Of course,
more,
yeah.
the bed will stay.
Stay there. But
But-
you are more practical
Yeah,
in this size.
for now it's okay, yeah. And I'm
It's
proud
nice.
of what I did. So
No,
I
it's
can show you
amazing.
the
Yes,
back
please.
also. Well, so I have like where we can see. So the water here.
Ah, okay.
We cannot see the boiler, but it's be here. We can a little bit see all the connection and the
Yeah.
water connection there.
Okay.
And after that, there is all my stuff. Like
So that's where
supply.
you get the water from? You just
The water is like I'm taking
okay,
this
pump.
hose,
Mhm.
and the hose is connected.
It's beautiful also, I was showing. Okay, yeah, don't worry.
No,
Okay,
it's here,
I'll hold
you know,
there.
I'm connected here.
Okay,
and
super easy.
It fills the water.
Super
And this
easy.
is why I put the glass part here to be able to see the
Of
water
course,
level and
yeah.
stop the water when it's full.
It's perfect.
Yeah,
Also from here, it's beautiful.
yeah, I like it.
Ah, well done, Cyril. I love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.